In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on clock in and clock out notifications for individual employees. The setting is set to off by default on all employees and needs to be turned on to start receiving these notifications. To access these settings, simply tap on Menu, Staff, the staff's name, and Settings. From here, if I choose to turn on either clock in or clock out notifications, as the admin, I will now receive a notification every time this particular employee clocks in or out for work. The process, like most other features on SINC, is the same in the web console. I simply click on Menu, Staff, the staff's name, and Settings, and from there I can toggle on and off these settings. Remember, every SINC account comes with access to the web console. You don't have to manage your organization all from your mobile device if you prefer using a larger screen. It can be accessed by visiting users.sinc.business and simply logging in using the credentials you use for the mobile app. We hope you have found this informative and appreciate you using SINC.